So I decided to do something crazy. I quit my full-time job of 5 years, said goodbye to my family and friends, and moved 14 hours across to the other side of the world, all by myself. I wanted a change. I wanted to challenge myself and step outside of my comfort zone and experience something completely new. I went through the Working Holiday Club, which made the transition so much easier. They helped with my visa application and also the job interview process. So I was fortunate enough to have a job and housing lined up for me when I arrived, which made the move slightly less terrifying. By the way, trying to pack your whole life into a suitcase with the allowance of 23 kg is a challenge.
4 jumpers in it and a puffy jacket.
They even set up meet and greets with others going through the same experience. So even though I was facing so many of my fears by making this move, it was reassuring to know that I wasn't completely alone.
So I had my job interview today for the Fairmont Hotel in Whistler, and I think it went well. She gave me a sticker and she also gave me a Fairmont luggage tag. Oh my goodness! It was a little bit scary, I'm not gonna lie, but she did most of the talking. They just asked me like really basic questions, so that's always a bonus. And yeah.
I've been colder than a frigid winter's jet, lower than an anchor in a daydream. I've been colder than a frigid winter's jet stream.
Okay, keep your eyes closed because it's right here.
My eyes are closed.
Yeah, like, I'm gonna get out of the car. You have to stay in the car, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna park like right out the front of it so you can't look. And then when we get out of the car, you can't look.
Okay.
26th of November, 2:40, we love you and we're proud of you and we can't wait to see your adventure. I miss you so much, we love you. Yeah. See you next year. See you next year. You're fine, you're fine. Okay, stop. Open your eyes. Surprise! Surprise!
Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller, yeah. Like controller, controller, yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find love.
How lucky am I to have something so special that makes saying goodbye so hard? Thank you to my beautiful friends for the best surprise ever. I miss you already.
Do things when you want me to, like controller, controller, yeah, like controller, controller, yeah. But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry.
After a difficult goodbye and 14 hours later, I finally arrived in Vancouver. My next and final destination? Whistler, here I come. Anyways, this was my failed attempt at recording my process, but I think you get the point. I hope you stick around and enjoy what's to come as I use this platform as my own digital diary. If I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.